Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Ko-Fi page. If you want to make your creator page look more professional, match your branding, and attract more supporters, customization is the first thing you should focus on. Let's go step by step in 2026. First, log into your Ko-Fi account and go to your creator dashboard. From there, find the settings or page customization section. Next, update your basic profile details. I mean, your name, bio, profile picture, and cover image are the first things visitors will see, so make them clean and clear. Now go to the theme or appearance settings. Here you can change colors, layout style, and overall design so your page matches your brand or content style. Next, add your social media links. Connecting platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter helps your audience find all your content in one place. Now configure your support settings. I mean, you can set donation goals, membership options, or even offer extras to encourage supporters to contribute. Before publishing changes, preview your page. This helps you see exactly how visitors will experience your profile on both desktop and mobile. And that's basically it. You now know how to customize your Ko-Fi page in 2026. A well-designed page can really help you build trust and get more support from your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.